I firmly believe that I have the smartest house in my town. I live in a pretty small town, but you guys already know that I have all these smart switches and 3D printed cover that probably needs to be changed. I have a couple of cameras in my house and outside too. Here we have outdoor smart outlet for the lighting. A new smart lock from Aqara. You can check out the new video. And smart doorbell. I even have the full-on dedicated server at my house with bunch of smart home hubs, surveillance server, NAS server, and the rest. You can open front door, garage door, you can turn on off the lights, or you can even turn on the, where is it? Fireplace. Trust me, nothing as fun as smart shades. Smart shades from SmartWings. Check this out. Those are blackout. I didn't even bother with the wire. It's just here and over here because it's pretty much covered. No one sees it. We also have this remote over here that you can press. 0 means all channels. You can obviously turn on, open and close. This thing is very cool. It's a pretty awesome design. You can put it on the wall even if you need. It's not the brightest day, but as you can see, there's a lot of windows in this room. And when it's a full-on sunny day, there's no way you see anything on TV or even here. It's gonna be really hot and no AC will take care of it. See, I didn't even bother with the cables anywhere. Luckily, I have outlets next to every window. But if you don't have an outlet next to your window, no worries, because there are a couple of versions that you can buy on SmartWings website. First is a hardwired version, just like the one I have. But also you can purchase a one with a very tiny solar panel that you basically stick somewhere here and you won't even see it behind this closed shade, and you just completely forget about charging it or whatever. Or even if you don't have enough light and you need to charge them, there's USB-C or all these things. So I have 3 windows. You can choose size with a step of 1/4 inch. Since the frame of this window is pretty big, I didn't go for a full-on, tight installation. I just had a little wiggle space over here. This same is here, but you can choose whatever size you need on their website. But as you can tell, it's very important to make sure you measure everything right. I've been sticking with this company for a while and I can truly recommend their products, and their delivery is outstanding. The quality of the product is cool. So I have 3 windows, 1, 2, 3 here. I also have one in the basement. This one is like the most important one because, as you can see, the only way to actually close anything we had there is to stand on these couches and reach it out. It wasn't really comfortable, so putting a smart shade over there was a really good decision. And we also have it in our master bedroom. Please don't pay attention to this. So anytime I would wake up, I would just close it to have some extra minutes of dark night sleep, because again you can see that there's a lot of light coming into this room and it's pretty bright when it's opened, but when it's closed, you can tell that it's dark even though the door is opened. It's becoming really dark in here. You can manage to make sure there's no light whatsoever that wasn't our goal, so this is good enough for us. And what I like about it, that you don't have to worry about moving curtains. We didn't finish it because we want to have a good design where it's all like together here. Those things are always closed, but everything looks great. But whenever you need darkness, you can just use shades. It's obviously not cheap, but if you do want to get into smart shades or smart blinds, and you will research the market, and based on quality and what you get for the money, I think SmartWings is the best solution. Because we even have these things from Aqara that you can basically put on any rod, and they just travel on your existing rod. So you can make basically, yeah, exactly. You can make basically a smart curtain from anything. And if you just press it. Oh, wrong one. I pressed the wrong one, sorry. So if you press this one, they are basically traveling on your existing rod. Even though eventually it does the same thing, covering your window, and if you have a blackout windows, then it will do the job. There are issues with that. Sometimes it wouldn't close for 100%, and your home app would just literally show that it's closed for 98%, and you just have to click once again and once again until it will be like 100%, so you can then open it, because it will travel and then bounce and then stop. I mean, it's very rental friendly. If you are renting and you just want to make your house smart and then leave anytime you want and take it with you, this is a good solution. Whereas here I think it looks amazing, and I love about it that you don't have to worry about moving these things, and they are just for decoration. So I actually looking into closing this window also with SmartWings, as well as to think about something with this door window, because first of all, it's huge, it's wide and tall, but on SmartWings website, this size is not even the biggest you can order. So you can order way bigger. I think like from here all the way to that window, it could be one smart shade, something like that. But since I don't have any space here, I assume if it opens all the way down, then when it's all the way closed, then we will have this much covered with the closed shade. Just like here, you have a little bit of window space covered with the shade, even if it's closed completely. So I imagine that here it's going to be even more. And this is not the tallest window. So I assume this is going to be like a problem probably. Might as well need to think about something outside. Right now, if we want to have a complete blackout, you have to get here and just, which is not bad. Anyway, wanted to share my excitement of partnership with SmartWings. This is not the first video, and I hope it's not the last one, because these guys doing a great product, high quality. It will be delivered really fast. Their website is amazing. Highly recommend. I will leave a link in the description. I don't even have affiliate or something, because these guys are doing just great product. I was researching and thinking about smart blinds or smart shades. Even since I was living in Ukraine, it was like always my dream to have the whole house covered with smart things, and now I live it. That's amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.